Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today, let us see and learn about ordinal numbers. Wow, we have an activity over here. What is that activity? Let us play a game using the given letters of English alphabet. What are the letters we have? We have A, B, D, E, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, T, Y. But what is the activity that we are going to play? The activity is arrange to form meaningful words from the alphabets shown below. Right? So from the given letters, we have to form some meaningful words. We can use any of them. We can arrange them as we want. So let us begin. I would like you to try few words on your own. At the same time, I am going to make few words of myself. So let us begin, my dear students. We will form as many words as we can, and we will now notice the position of the letters in the words. Remember, whichever words you make on your own, also write down the position of letters in that words. I will tell you how. Let's begin. First, I take D, A, T, and E. Did I make a meaningful word? Yes, D-A-T-E is date. In this word, what do I have? The first letter is D. The second letter is A. Third letter is T. And the fourth letter is E. You also have to write down the position of each letter like this. You can make any word of your own. I am going to make one more word. Let me show you what. T. Then I take I. Then I take M. And then I take the letter E. What word did I make here, my dear students? I made the word time. In this word, the first letter is T. The second letter is I. The third letter is M. And the fourth letter is E. Now, what I have done is I have actually written down the position of each letter in that word. For example, in the word D-A-T-E, date, I will start from right hand side. The position of the letter E is fourth position. The position of the letter T is the third position. Position of letter A is the second position. And the position of the letter D is first position. Similarly, I have written down for time. What have we exactly done here? Let us go ahead. We have actually written down positions, meaning ordinal numbers. The definition is, ordinal numbers are used to tell the position or sometimes the order of an object in the given collection. So we are writing down the position using what? The numbers, the words, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on are all ordinal numbers.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.